All right, Charles, tell me.
Oh, this?
Yeah?
Yeah, this is a Staggerwing G17S, but which they only made 20 of. But what's even more unusual about this airplane, this is the last Staggerwing ever made. And this was a 1948 model. And after that, everything switched over to the Beech Bonanza, which was an airplane that carried nearly the same load, nearly the same distance, and nearly the same speeds. But it was much more fuel efficient and a smaller airplane. And it was such a good airplane, it's still in production now. But what it replaced was this. And this was a different era of flying. This is the luxury of the 1930s that lasted until 1948. And it's a very special airplane in that this airplane was the last airframe made from the golden era of flying.
And what was the speed of the bait?
This airplane, if you notice, very unusual for the day. This has a retractable landing gear. But what makes it even more unusual is it has a retractable tail wheel. And that is because Walter Beech said, I've got to have an airplane that goes 200 miles an hour. And this is a 210 mile an hour airplane.
Was it the first time that they had a retractable for?
It's probably, let's put it this way, it's the first production retractable tail wheel.
Lots of oil, eh?
It doesn't leak oil. A radial engine,
Oh.
the oil runs to the bottom cylinders and it overflows. When you run the engine, no oil leaks. It's in motion and there's no problem. It's when you shut them down, the longer you shut them down, the more oil there is on the floor because the oil's coming out of the top of the engine down to the bottom.
How are you doing? Wow. What a plane.
And then this is Gordon's airplane.